Welcome back to Kingdom Keto. We have now taken the National Steakburger that we launched just a week or so ago, and we have gone keto with it. So what we have today for you is a chaffle made of egg and cheese that's prepared on a waffle maker to substitute for the bread. And we have a beautifully prepared grilled steak burger. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to dress it real quickly. This time we're going to dress it instead of the Japanese fashion of the ketchup and the cheese only. We're going to put some romaine lettuce on there. We're going to do a little bit of tomato. We're going to place some onion on there. And I'm going to dollop the top with a little bit of guacamole. That's organic guacamole, and just spread it around some. But these healthy fats is what makes you lose weight on keto. And this particular recipe just about embraces everything. Some of the healthy fats that help you lose weight on keto would be egg, which is in your chaffle, cheese, which is in the queso and the chaffle, and also guacamole is one of them, the avocado. So this particular guacamole is imported from Mexico, and it is organic and very healthy. I'm gonna just top this chaffle on the top of this burger. I was gonna put some bacon on it, but I decided, and a piece of cheese, but I decided that there's so much bacon bits and queso has a heavy amount of cheese here that I'm gonna just keep this dressed because I wanted to have my healthy vegetables. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice this. And we are gonna take this chaffle steak burger and dip it down into the queso, and we're gonna eat it from that perspective. So this is our keto special steak burger just for you. Enjoy. But the queso I made with 4 ingredients. 1 tablespoon of cream cheese with less than a gram of carbs. And then I put a half cup of salsa, same thing. It's 1 carb for I believe a fourth of a cup. But and then I put a half cup of cheddar cheese. So we have a half cup of cheddar cheese, a half cup of heavy cream, which is also less than a carb. This is a great healthy fat meal for keto on your lifestyle journey. Enjoy, everybody, and we'll talk to you next time on Kingdom Keto.